Water is the mirror that has the ability to show us what we cannot see. It is a blueprint of our reality, which can change with a single positive thought. All it takes is faith if you are open to it, said by Dr. Masaru Emoto. Can you hear the sound of water? Hi, yes. Today I am going to say about power of water. Let me clear one thing. It's not going to be a diet video like fat burner drink or something like this kind of stuff. Today I am going to say you the pseudoscience behind the power of water. Water is the most fundamental aspect of our body for our physical and mental balance. But did you know one thing? Water can hear us? Yes, you people are absolutely here right think. Water is alive. Water has a memory of power. It sounds so scary, right? Without giving more further intro, let's move on to our video. Though it is a pseudoscience, I believe this idea. In 1992, a Japanese scientist, if I'm not wrong, the pronunciation is Dr. Masaru Emoto, did his experiment on a power of water. How a molecular structure of water has changed when it exposed to a human thought, like emotions, every positive and negative vibrations of a human word. He mainly does his experiment on has there any impact of human words on a water, and he get a shocked result. Let's see how he done his experiment on a molecular structure of water. So basically what he did is एक ट्रे में एक ड्रॉपर से एक ड्रॉप वाटर लिया एंड उन्होंने उस वाटर को रखने से पहले थैंक यू ग्रेटिट्यूड वाला वर्ड्स बोले एंड और एक ट्रे में और एक ड्रॉप वाटर लिए एंड उसमें भी एवरी पॉजिटिव बात बोले. सिमिलरली ही डिड और एक ट्रे में और एक ड्रॉप वाटर लिए एंड कहे all the negative words like I hate you and evil disrespectful words and lastly सब ट्रे को फ्रीज़र कर दिए. After freezing the waters he get that and he get an amazing shocked result. If possible I can show you the pictures but there is some copyright issues, that's why I can't share those pictures. Please I highly recommend you that please Google it and say only water memory and check it out his whole experiment and you get an amazing shocked results. So उन्होंने जिसमें पॉजिटिव बात कहे थे all the molecular structure of those freezed water was amazing. बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक स्ट्रक्चर आया बट सिमिलरली जो अगली एंड नेगेटिव बात कहे थे उसका स्ट्रक्चर एज अगली एज लुक और आधार कार्ड पिक्चर्स बहुत ही ख़राब दिखने आया था. सो व्हाट इज़ एंड ही डिड दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट for 3 times for a confirmed result and every time he get the same result. So basically what has happened is that water really can hear us, water really can react on our words, on our positive and negative vibrations of our words. So water has the memory, power of memory to record our message and give it to us for a healthy body. So what is happening is that, let's see, our body is made of 70% of water. अगर हम लोग पानी पे पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देंगे तो वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी हमारे बॉडी के मेंटल एंड फिज़िकल बैलेंस में पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस लाएंगे. If we give a negative impact on our water which we use, which we drink, then in our daily life those water have a negative impact on our body. तो हमें बेसिकली क्या करना है, वाटर को हमेशा पॉजिटिव मैसेज देना है. वो कैसे हम ये दे सकते हैं? इन आवर डेली लाइफ हम जो पानी पीते हैं और हम जो पानी यूज़ करते हैं, उस पानी को यूज़ करने से अराउंड 3 आवर्स बिफोर उसमें एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देना है. कैसे देंगे? उस पानी को ग्लास में लेने के बाद, एंड वी हैव टू यूज़ अ plain glass of water, not any designer glass or a metallic glass, made of glass, and give a positive message which we really need our daily life in our characteristics like peace of mind, energetic body, or something which we really need in our characteristics or in our body for our healthy purpose. बोलने के बाद उस पानी को 3 घंटे के लिए रख देना है. फिर उस पानी को हमें आफ्टर 3 आवर्स पीना है. वो पानी हमारे दिए हुए मैसेज को रिकॉर्ड कर लेता है और उसकी स्ट्रक्चर को उसी तरह से बनाता है जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी हमारे बॉडी में चाहिए. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू डू इन आवर एवरी डे इन आवर डेली लाइफ. एंड वन मोर थिंग, Dr. Masaru Emoto has written a book named The Miracle of Water. Please check it out in Google and read that book to get the extra knowledge on power of water, how it changed our body, our mind and our environment with just a single positive thought. So basically we always be positive in our every words. If you can possible, write a cheat on every positive words which we really need in our daily life, in our characteristics, and put the cheat on the glass of jug or glass of water, and for 3 hours, and then we use that water for drinking purpose or we use in our daily life. That can easily change our body, our mental health and our surroundings too. So always be positive of our every words. That can help us in various way. And one more small tips, that is, it's not a instant process, it is a time taking process. आपने आज पिया और कल बोलेंगे कि मेरे अंदर वो पॉजिटिव चेंज क्यों नहीं आया. It's really not possible. It's a time taking process. You have to keep patience in your mind. And lastly, I have to say, and I always say, that if you want to shine like a sun, then you have to burn like a sun. Stay positive, stay healthy, and bye people. Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye people.